Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Resilient and Blessed. So today I will be sharing with you another Morphe brushes unboxing. Now, due to the feedback that I got on my last video, this will probably be the last upload that I will be sharing with you. If you are still interested in it, please follow me on Snapchat, where I can do quick little uploads on what I receive for the month. We'll continue to receive these brushes because I absolutely love how they work, and it's very good quality and it's very affordable. Now, if you don't know already, this subscription box is $19.99 a month that you will pay, and you'll get brushes that are equivalent or more than that price. And that's a great deal, because if you're anybody like me who loves makeup and likes to, learn and improve their skills, then Morphe brushes is one of the top to try. For this month, it came in a bag like this. Came with this card which states that you have a chance to win some brushes, which I kind of forgot to do, but I will be doing this, as I say in every unboxing. But you take a picture of the packaging and you can win some brushes. And each month that you're still a member of this subscription box, you will earn 100 points. So the points accumulate and you can get some free brushes. Also, if people or friends here on YouTube join this subscription box, you can earn 200 points. So if you're interested and you want some brushes, I'll leave the link down below where you can purchase them and join the subscription box and get your brushes immediately. These are the brushes that came in this package for this month. I have the E19, looks like another crease brush. I have the M432 brush, looks like it'll work well to apply my concealer under my eyebrows. Next I have the E22 brush, and this is a nice fluffy blending brush. Now, I can't go wrong with these. I love this because I'm new at makeup, and anything that is good quality and it will help me to blend like a pro, I'll be needing a lot of these. The E48 brush, and this looks like a nice blush brush, a little powder brush, anything really. And I think I have a brush very similar from my last unboxing, so this is like a little smaller, but hey, I still like it. And last but not least is the M310 brush, which is a nice fan brush, and the hairs are really nice and soft, so I know it'll be good to apply my highlight. So this is a quick video on the boxes I received for the month of July. If you're interested in getting any of these brushes, or you want to, get your collection going, then I definitely recommend that you join today. Please click the link down in the description box so that you can sign up right now. And thank you for watching, and as I mentioned before, I don't think I'll be posting any more unboxings here on this channel. If you would like to see them, then please thumbs up this video and comment down below specifically telling me so. And if I get about 15 comments or so, then I will be continuing. If not, I will have to do exclusively on my Snapchat, so follow me there. Yeah, follow me on Snapchat. Alright, so see you later and stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.